Hello class, Mr. Young here. The date is probably, if you're looking at this video, I'd say about March 21st, which means right about here. It's study day for chapter 23, which is our test on, well, all things revolution, more or less. Political revolutions, industrial revolutions. No lie, we covered a vast array of topics in here, all within those bounds, but pretty far spread. We go from American Revolution, French Revolution, Industrial Revolution. We cover all those things. We even get into like what the culture and life was like during Industrial Revolution. So we go from colonial times to like 1900 very rapidly. We also cover a lot of states, and not like Pennsylvania, the state, as in nation states. And their formations over in Europe. A lot to talk about, As always, we have a number of tools at our disposal. We have our study guide here. You can answer all these questions. You're probably in pretty good shape to do well on the test. You see, we go all the way from the reasons for the formation of the British colonies to what was the Reign of Terror, what were reforms of the British government, what's the potato famine, how did Italy unite, what's the difference between, American and British liberals. There's a lot in here. Who's Karl Marx? Capitalize that K. There's a lot in here. So, as always, I have a couple ideas, things that maybe could help you get ready for this. I'm going to read my blurb here first. There were a lot of revolutions this chapter. American, French, even industrial. We had historical characters like Napoleon, Darwin, and even Charles Dickens. There's a lot to cover. How does one study for this test? Listen, I know it was a lot, so I'm going to do my best not to make the test too crazy. Went over it with a fine-tooth comb. It's not too crazy. I think if you do what you always do, like take a look over the study guide, maybe reread the chapter, do a little bit of studying, you'll do just fine. Also, it's open book, so if you can't remember exactly how Italy united because your head is filled with Napoleon, just go take a look real quick. No big deal. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. You know what? I'll even give you a look at the test. A little cheater look here. It's a big one at 60 points, but it is all matching and multiple choice. And pretty much in order. Vocab, U.S. Revolution, French Revolution, American Civil War, the world, how it pans out to how it's going to be, places like Spain, Mexico, Germany. Oh, Industrial Revolution, urbanization, new political thoughts, socialism. Oh, and we end up with question 27. This scientist shook the world up when he wrote about the theory of evolution, so we get into the culture at the end. So there you go. That's 27 questions. No essay. So I think you'll be good. That test is on the 22nd, which means we have a Friday. We're not going to start a new chapter the day before spring break starts. So we're going to do our Teen Biz Thursday on Friday. It's just how it's going to pan out. We'll take it easy the last day before school. That's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, good luck on this large test. And make sure you study for it, alright? Have a good one.